to see because Isee had some good reviews. So it's their box. Nothing was damaged. Nothing was ruined in the box. They send you 2 wig caps and a little booklet, as every other company does, with their social media handles. Okay, so this is how the wig comes in this bag. You guys, before I ordered this wig, I was researching on can you catch the coronavirus. I'm sorry I got my purse on, you guys. That's just because I'm like about to go. And I just walked in and I saw the wig here. So I'm like, well, let me do a quick review because I want to open it and see it. So let me just turn the camera on while I do that. So I'm going to take out the plastic, take off the net. But like I was saying, I was researching if you can catch the coronavirus. I know you guys petty of me, but I had to see. It was petty, but I was researching if you can catch the coronavirus through shipping from China, and actually you cannot because it doesn't have a host to live in, a living body or whatever the case may be. So they say that the coronavirus would die by the time it gets here, whether box here, whatever the case may be. So when I open it, the reason why I said I could tell I didn't like their lace, well, it looks good, but you could tell it's a little ashy. It's ashy. That ashy look, and it's a little rough. Kind of reminds me of beauty supply store lace. But I'm gonna bleach it. This is pre-plucked. Pre-plucked pretty, might I say, okay. Plucked pretty decent, actually. Might go in and do a little something, but it's plucked pretty nice. This is a 22-inch deep wave. $13 by $6. So here's the parting space. It's a true 13 by 6. Y'all know what time it is. It's 150% density. Kind of thin. Yeah, it's kind of thin. Can you see it? I feel a lot of stuff right here. I'm not gonna lie. This wig feels like it's 120% density. It's just thin. I hate curly, thin wigs. I'm gonna come back because I'm gonna bleach the knots. Very ashy. I'm gonna bleach the knots on this unit and fix it up and wet it down. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, and look at it now. No more ashy lace. It matches my skin tone perfect. It took to the bleach very well, I would say. Now I'm loving the wig. I went ahead and wet it down with some water and conditioner, and boom, it doesn't even feel thin anymore. Like, baby, get into this. Even the side that's not wet down, it's not a bad look for if you're out and about or if you spend the night out and you don't have your materials to wet your hair down, it's still not bogus. You know what I'm saying? It's like, okay, you got dry hair. Yeah, so my review on Isee hair. This is their 24-inch deep curly, deep wave. I'm sorry, this is their 24-inch deep wave 13x6 lace frontal. I did bleach the knots. It took to the bleach very well, and it's bomb. It don't be shedding on me. It just needs a little water. The ends are curly. They're not shabby. A lot of curly hair sometimes it's curly and then it gets shabby ends, as you can see in the picture that I put right here. The ends look really good. Really good. And they're not thin at the ends and just, you know, that curly end look. I live by that hair. I like it so much that I went and ordered a 26-inch straight 13x6 frontal wig by them as well. Isee here is a yes for me, and they're very affordable too. This wig was the $180 after shipping and all that, and this one came from Amazon. The straight that I ordered, that I'll do a review on next, I actually ordered that straight from Isee here, just so I could see the difference, and I'll let you know on the next video. So yeah, Isee here. It's a go. Y'all fuck with Isee, because and this is not sponsored. I'm paying for all these wigs. I paid for this wig, paid for the straight wig, I paid for this wig. Like I'm paying for all my wigs, so I'm really giving honest reviews on how I really feel about this. And I'm actually wearing it a while before I come back and let you know. I might do the initial install and let you guys see that, but then I come back in at least 30 days to 2 months to let you know how it's holding up and how I feel about it. And 30 days later, this Isee, even though I only wore it 4 times, this Isee here is bomb.com. To be honest, I've never curled deep wave hair. Actually, I don't straighten deep wave hair. Tell my clients up front, don't ask me to straighten deep wave hair. I don't do it. But I am about to see right now what it does when you put some heat to it, because I've never put heat to deep wave hair. Besides, you know, on the top to flatten out the top when you first put it on. Let's see something. I would never, but my bad. I guess if I was going for I don't know, what kind of look? A messy curl look. That's my little spill on Isee here. I got one more wig from them. They're straight to do, and it's still a go for me. So check them out, y'all. I'm gonna link their hair below. I'm gonna link the direct wig below, and I think y'all would like them. Honest review. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good shit, notification bell, all that.
Man. We supposed to be the no stress in the world of stress. The one relaxation in the world of chaos.